This is Duane and our dog Duke, and I am Deana. We are weekend warriors and travel in our 29-foot fifth wheel. So come and enjoy the journey with us. We are the best of us, the Floros. So how's your morning going?
My morning's going very well. I got to sleep in a little bit, then wake up to this. It's hard to have a bad morning, you know?
We first saw this state park when we were watching a brand new channel called Rollin' with the Stones. They were right, this is an incredible place.
So calm.
It is.
Incredible looking at the birds sitting out there on wood sticking up out of the water. Just still.
You can see the leaves starting to change. There's lots of tent camping, which is nice. The leaves are changing. They have a Hensley.
Harley Davidson.
That's what he does. Sends me pictures.
And I would check up on football scores like University of Cincinnati beating Notre Dame University, fourth quarter. That's a good thing.
He's doing this for me, riding bikes. But how can we not?
1, 2, 3, 4.
It's always like springtime with you, making all things new. Your light is breaking through the dark. This love, it is sweeter than wine. bringing joy, bringing life. Your hope is rising like the dawn.
Hi, my name is Kathy, and I'm a alumni of University of Cincinnati. Go Bearcats!
Yes, and our daughter will be excited about that.
And we sold our home last August, and we have been on the road for over a year.
Wow, I didn't. Well, I wish I should come
So
down.
now we are back home, and we have stayed in all those states.
State parks.
Mm-hmm.
So this is our first
state parks. A lot of KOAs.
Oh, okay, yeah, we
But-
do KOAs too. This is our first time to this park. But we were leaving. Unfortunately, I didn't come talk to her earlier, but I looked at this map and I had to come talk to her. I mean, look at this. So how long did it take you to get even Hawaii and Alaska? So how long did it take you?
All right. Well, we had done Hawaii and Alaska on our own. We didn't camp there.
Okay.
But
Still counts.
We left last August 24th, and we got back September 17th. So we maximum, I think the longest we stayed was 5 nights in a park, and that was
And you have been everywhere.
near Yellowstone. Yes, we have traveled. We've done more than 50,000 miles.
That's amazing. Well, congratulations on that feat. Not many have that full flag.
Thank you.
Or that full United States full. We have the exact same one, and ours is probably a third.
Oh, hey, but we retired and we
Right.
had our health, and that's what we decided
Well,
to do.
congratulations. And who is this?
This is Aussie,
Hi, Aussie.
and she loves to travel.
Well, we have a lab. His name is Duke, and he is very old. So,
She's 14. So
well, he's probably 15 or 16, but he's a big guy. But well, it was nice meeting you,
thank you.
and maybe we'll see you on your road sometime.
That sounds like a plan.
All right. So I wanted to close out this video. Duane's not with me today. The reason we are even camping this weekend is he had a major conference that he was over. And so that's where he's at. So we leave tomorrow morning, and we really hate to leave. But we're going to be home a day, and then we're going off again to camp with some friends over next weekend. So we're kind of busy. But again, I wanted to say thank you for watching. Thank you for all of our subscribers who are keeping up with this tribe. And if you haven't subscribed, we would love for you to be part of us. So all you have to do is hit subscribe, and if you would, just to help us, if you would like the video, that helps us with YouTube. And also, if you want to know when our next video is coming out, just hit the bell notification and it will notify you. Also, I want to thank Rolling with the Stones, Mary and Joe. They subscribe to us and we do them as well. They're a new YouTube channel. We are Weekend Warriors. They are Weekday Warriors. They are retired, and they come to state parks. They go everywhere, I guess, during the week when it's not so busy, kind of like it is today. Everybody took off yesterday. It feels kind of weird, but they love it. And so they recommended this park on their video. So be sure and watch theirs. I will link that up so you can see their rendition of the state park. But again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye. We are hooked up and ready to go. Testing our lights. Good.
It's always like springtime with you, making all things new. Your light is breaking through the dark. This love, it is sweeter than wine, bringing joy, bringing life. Your hope is rising like the dawn. And this is what you do, this is what you do. You make me come alive, this is what you do.
So we had family that came to see us today.
You make me come alive, this is what you do, this is what you do.